Have you ever heard or came across recovery your PC needs to be repaired error when you boot up your computer? If you do, here is the solution for it. There could be various reasons for this problem, such as BCD is missing or corrupted, file system's integrity is damaged, or file systems are damaged. For the first solution you can do is run the startup repair whenever you see the problem. First of all, power off your computer, install your installation media, it could be USB or flash drive, and then restart your computer. If you are using USB flash drive, press the appropriate functional key. After that, choose your language preference and click on Repair your computer. Now you have to tap on the Troubleshoot settings. Once you click on Troubleshoot, you will get this advanced options. From here, click on Startup Repair. When the startup repair process is done, you may restart your computer and see if the issue is fixed. This is solution number 1. Moving on to solution number 2 would be rebuild your BCD. For that, first of all, insert the Windows bootable drive to your computer and boot from it. Select your language preference and click on Next. After that, tap on Advanced Options. Once you click on Advanced Option, you will see Command Prompt. Tap on Command Prompt and here are the few commands that you want to click and then enter. For that, you have to tap on bootrec, fix MBR, fix boot, rebuild BCD and such other. Once this is completed, you can restart your device and check if your issue is fixed. Do try both of these methods and mention if the issue is fixed or not. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.